Hello and welcome to our video on the potential of space mining and resource exploitation. The idea of mining and exploiting resources in space has been around for decades. But in recent years, there has been growing interest in this area. This is because space is rich in valuable resources such as water, metals, and rare earth elements. One of the most promising areas for space mining is near-Earth asteroids. These asteroids are believed to contain vast amounts of metals such as gold, platinum, and iron, as well as water and other resources. By mining these asteroids, we could potentially extract these valuable resources and bring them back to Earth. NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission is a great example of how we are already exploring and studying near-Earth asteroids. The spacecraft reached the asteroid Bennu in 2018, and in 2020. It collected a sample of the asteroid's surface material. The sample will be returned to Earth in 2023, where scientists will study it to learn more about the asteroid's composition and potential for mining. Another promising area for space mining is the Moon. The Moon has large deposits of helium-3, a rare isotope that could be used as fuel for nuclear fusion reactors. The Moon also has abundant supplies of other resources such as iron, aluminum, and silicon. The potential benefits of space mining and resource exploitation are significant. For one, it could help to reduce our dependence on Earth's resources, which are finite and increasingly scarce. It could also provide a new source of income and economic growth, as well as create new jobs and industries. For example, mining companies such as Planetary Resources and Deep Space Industries have been working on developing the necessary technology to mine resources in space. They envision a future where we will be able to extract and process resources in space, and use them to manufacture products such as rocket fuel, satellite components, and other space-based infrastructure. Another potential benefit of space mining is that it could enable us to create a sustainable presence in space. By using local resources, we could reduce the cost and complexity of space exploration and development. This could make it easier to establish long-term bases on the Moon, Mars, and other planets. However, there are also many challenges to space mining and resource exploitation. These include technical challenges such as developing the necessary technology to mine resources in space, as well as legal and ethical challenges such as ensuring that mining activities do not harm the environment or other space activities. One of the biggest technical challenges of space mining is developing the necessary infrastructure to support mining activities. This includes developing spacecraft and equipment that can safely and efficiently transport resources back to Earth, as well as building the necessary processing and manufacturing facilities in space. Another challenge is the regulatory framework for space mining. Currently, there is no international agreement on space mining, and different countries have different laws and regulations regarding mining activities in space. This creates uncertainty and legal challenges for companies that want to invest in space mining. In addition, there are also ethical considerations that need to be taken into account. For example, we need to ensure that space mining activities do not harm the environment or interfere with other space activities. We also need to consider the potential impact of space mining on the rights of indigenous peoples and other groups. Despite these challenges, many companies and organizations are already working on developing the necessary technology and infrastructure for space mining and resource exploitation. For example, NASA is developing the Artemis program, which aims to establish a sustainable presence on the Moon by 2024. Private companies such as SpaceX and Blue Origin are also investing in space exploration and development. In the future, we may see a new era of space exploration and development as we begin to unlock the vast resources of the solar system. This could bring many benefits to humanity, including a new source of income. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed learning about the potential of space mining and resource exploitation.